Good evening. I'm Aditi Lamba with the Tuesday night edition of South Asian News, Vision of Asia. We are coming to you from our studio in New Jersey. Welcome to the show. Let's begin the episode taking a look at the coronavirus pandemic and its impact. The world has surpassed 241 million cases of COVID-19 with nearly 5 million deaths. Here in the United States, we're at 45 million cases of COVID-19 and we've now surpassed 726,000 deaths. Many hotspot southern states are finally seeing a decline in cases. However, states in the north and the Midwest are now starting to see an uptick with colder weather arriving. Experts have said that this decline in cases, deaths, and hospitalizations could eventually lead to another spike and have been pleading Americans to get vaccinated. Meanwhile, on the booster dose, an FDA panel has recommended Moderna booster shots and will also consider boosters for Johnson & Johnson this Friday. FDA this week also might give an okay to mixing of these booster doses. In politics, former Secretary of State Colin Powell has died from COVID-19 complications and blood cancer at the age of 84. He was a trailblazing military commander and the first black Secretary of the state. Many leaders, including the president, have sent condolences to the friends and family of General Powell. With this, let's now take a look at the headlines coming in, covering much on politics and culture. Here are the headlines. Meet and greet local and state candidates featuring Sam Joshi for Edison Mayor, New Jersey. Vibha Dream Mile 5K Run Walk raises $50,000, Kilman Park, New Jersey. Vibrant Navratri 2021 gathers Indian American community at the Edison Expo Hall in New Jersey. It's time for a short break on Vision of Asia South Asian News segment. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back. Welcome back, I'm Aditi Lamba and this is Vision of Asia, Tuesday night episode of South Asian News. If children do not have access to the right to be educated and being healthy, then we as a society fail as a whole. This is stated by non-profit Vibha that works to educate, empower and enable the life of the underprivileged child of India. The organization so far has supported the education of 2.3 million children since 1991. Vibha ensures that a scalable, sustainable, and replicable result is achievable to continue uplifting underserved children. Over the last 27 years, Vibha has been able to identify, seed fund, and scale up solutions to create large-scale social impacts. On this, recently, Vibha held a Dream Mile 5K Run Walk fundraiser at the Skillman Park in New Jersey and raised $50,000 for its ongoing programs and efforts. The fundraiser featured both adults and younger children of the South Asian community coming together to highlight education rights for all. The event saw in attendance and support Indian Consul General Mr. Randhir Jaiswal. Here is the story.
Hi, my name is Janvi and I'm a FA certified group training instructor, and I'm also part of Vibha NJ group. I was here to do the warm-up for the participant today. Though the warm-up is very, very, very important before you go for any run. So there was some few exercises which increases your heart rate, also stretches your major muscles like quadricep and hamstring.
One more! Yeah, Dania. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Hi, this is Keyur, and I think today is October 3rd. Yesterday was Gandhi Jayanti. The best way, I think, to change the world is to use one of Gandhiji's saying, be the change that you want to see in the world. And we at Vibha are laser focused to provide education to children in need. Please join us in this wonderful initiative. And we are very happy to have Vibha 5K in person this year despite COVID circumstances. This is our 5th year. And thank you everyone for your support.
Hi, my name is Malika Vadwani. I am Director Marketing for Vibha. Vibha is 100% volunteer driven. We established in 1991, so this is our 30th year. We work towards improving education for children, public education for children. We are platinum rated by Good Day Star. We have raised a lot of money for children. We give back to children in India. In the US, we try to improve their public education. This year, we also raised about $2.6 million for COVID relief. Vibha is 100% volunteer driven, like I mentioned. Our volunteers are here today at the grand finale for Vibha Dream Mile. We are in New Jersey, Skillman Park, going live. And we are here. We have about more than 500 registrations for the New Jersey in-person event.
Hello, my name is Insia. I am volunteer director for Vibha New York, New Jersey chapter. This is our 5th year of Dream Mile, New Jersey in person. And I would just like to say thank you to all the people who have shown up and registered for Dream Mile. It won't be a success without you all registering. Just to give you some idea of how many registrations we had, throughout US we had around 4,200 registration from 4 continents, 11 countries, and 33 states in USA. We had participants from age 2 to 83. And we have 120 teams formed. Participants logged in 60 million steps and 23,000 miles and 4,700 kilometers overall throughout this month. We are finishing our Dream Mile month with our last race in New Jersey. I would also like to introduce our youth volunteers, Dishi, Kezar, and Ilham, who have played a tremendous role in making this a success over here.
Hi, my name is Dishi and I'm a volunteer for Vibha. I've been volunteering since I was 6 years old, and this year I finally got to reach the dream where I got to run the Dream Mile 5K and I got to lead it. So we've been planning this out since July, and thankfully we've surpassed our goal that we've ever had. We've reached the highest registrations we've ever wanted, which was 500, and this year we got 545 registrations.
Hi, my name is Kaiser. I've been in Vibha for about 4 years. This year I also got to join Dishi in leading Vibha. It was a wonderful experience. The volunteers here are so amazing. We worked really hard and we are very proud of our results.
Hi, my name is Ilham Attar, and I was really excited to work with Dishi and Kaiser this year in leading the Vibha Dream Mile, and we got so many sign-ups and everything was just really successful this year.
This month, we are seeing several celebrations of Navratri 2021, bringing together the Indian community at numerous events. A 9-day prominent Hindu festival, Navratri is dedicated to Hindu goddess Durga and holds great significance for its devotees. The word Navratri means 9 nights in Sanskrit, and on the 9 forms of goddess Durga are worshipped with several rituals and processions. The festival symbolizes the victory of good over evil, where goddess Durga fought a battle with demon king Mahishasur and killed him, bringing light after darkness. On this, recently, United Rishabh presented 2021 Vibrant Navratri at the Edison Expo Hall in New Jersey. The event saw a 14 feet tall statue of goddess Durga. Here are some highlights from Vibrant Navratri.
Namaste. A very happy Navratri to all of our Indian American friends here in New Jersey. I'm proud to call them my fellow brothers and sisters here in New Jersey, and I hope within 2 weeks I could say that I am their governor. Thank you.
We have our next governor, Mr. Jack Ciattarelli here, and I want everyone to go out to vote on November the 2nd. Thank you so much, and thank you ITV Gold for covering this event.
I have Nimish Bhai with me, Amit Vedawala with me, Agrawal ji is with me. We are at the Expo Center for the Vibrant Navratri, and we are with the Jack Ciattarelli, who is running for NJ Governor. And most important thing is that this Navratri is the most attended place by the Indian American community, where Jack is getting tremendous support and exposure here. We have been working for the Republican Party, this Asian American Republican Coalition, for almost 5 to 6 years, and working for making this country great. And we also want to make sure that all the justices to all the people have been given, taxes are reduced, illegal people are removed from this country, and most important thing is we have support of all our friends here.
Hi, I'm Nimish Patel. We are here at the NJ Expo with Amit Vedawala. He's a grand sponsor here, and we are being so excited to see the crowd here. And we are here. The reason today is we are being here to support the candidate at the governor, and Jack is going to change the state of New Jersey in order for the economical. The living standards are going so high here. The state is becoming century state. The wages are going so high, and that is the reason we need to change. And we have support of everybody. Thank you very much for ITV to consider us and Gold TV.
Today we have a Garba on Edison in Expo, one of the largest Garba, and enjoy everybody.
ITV viewers, Dhiren Amin, President of Indian Business Association. I want to thank each and every one of United Rishabh team. They arrange very good Garba, the best Garba in United States. I want to thank United Rishabh team, and my whole IBA team are supporting United Rishabh. Thank you.
मैं चंद्रकांत पटेल, इंडियन बिजनेस एसोसिएशन का चेयरमैन, आज सब न्यू जर्सी की पब्लिक को नवरात्रि की बधाई देता हूं। और आज इस तरह जो आप देख रहे हो गरबा, क्या तो बहुत लोग किस तरह एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, और यंग जनरेशन को यही एक ये है। थैंक यू।
ITV Gold for covering this event. It's a great event, as you can see. A lot of people are here today for this Edison Expo Vibrant Navratri. More than 8,000 people today, and it's a great enthusiasm for the Garba lovers. It's one of the biggest Navratri in entire USA. We really appreciate Parikh Worldwide Media, Raja Bhati and ITV Gold for covering this event. Thank you. Jai Mata Di.
This is one of the biggest Navratri in the East Coast. I would like to thank all the organizers, Love Patel, Nilesh Desundi, and all the committees. It's right now we can see we have almost about 8 to 10,000 people. And it is one of the best and great Navratri. Thank you.
રુજુતા ધોળકિયા સાઝ ઇન્ડિયન મ્યુઝિક એન્ડ એન્ટરટેનમેન્ટમાંથી અને આજે અહીં એનજે એક્સપોમાં અમે ખાસ ગરબા આવ્યા છીએ સરસ મજાની ટીમને લઈને અને એક વર્ષ પછી ભેગા થયા છીએ એટલે બધા ભેગા થઈને ખૂબ જ મજા ઉઠાવી રહ્યા છીએ અને અહીંના આયોજકો ખાસ કરીને યુનાઇટેડ રિશપ એમને ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન છે અને થેન્ક યુ સો મચ ITV Gold to talking to us. I'll give it to Pramesh Nandi from Canada.
હેલો ITVના બધા દર્શકોને હું પ્રમેશ નાંદી નમસ્તે કરું છું. અહીંયા એક્સપો સેન્ટરમાં ખૂબ બધા લોકો ભેગા થયા છે અને અમે ખૂબ મજા કરી રહ્યા છીએ. ખૂબ બધા લોકોને એકસાથે જોઈને આનંદ થાય છે. કોવિડ પછી એક વર્ષે બધા આટલું સુંદર આયોજન આખી આ ટીમ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝિંગ ટીમને રુજુતાબેનને ખૂબ ખૂબ ધન્યવાદ હું આપું છું. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ ITV.
Well, it's now time for another short break on Vision of Asia, Voice of the Community. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. And welcome back. I'm Aditi Lama and this is Vision of Asia South Asian News segment. In politics, local and state elections will be held on November 2nd in New Jersey. Adhering to COVID-19 protocols at every location, this year early voting will be available throughout the state for general election and will begin this Saturday, October 23rd till October 31st from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Mondays to Saturdays and 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Sundays. There is also an option for mail-in ballot and also of voting in person on election day, November 2nd. In state elections, Democratic New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy is facing Republican Jack Ciattarelli. In Edison, New Jersey, where we are now located, on a local level, Democrat Sam Joshi is facing Republican Keith Hahn in the mayoral race and will become the first Indian American to be in Edison's mayor's seat if elected. Edison comprises of a great number of South Asian Americans and Sam Joshi is hoping to have them all on his side. Recently, a meet and greet event was brought together by the South Asian Democratic Club, which saw several local and state candidates, elected officials, including Sam Joshi. Here are some highlights from the meet and greet.
ITV Gold, thank you for covering this wonderful event. I'm incredibly excited because we're just 18 days away from this historical election. We need to make sure that every single Democrat comes out and votes. Our team is larger than theirs. Today, Sam Khan, Sajida, and Hanan hosted yet another terrific event with more than 100 people coming out to our headquarters tonight. The energy is there, the excitement is there, and quite frankly, the numbers are there. There are more Democrats proud of our values. We need to make sure that every single one of them comes out and votes. Please remember, in just 18 days on November 2nd, vote column A all the way.
So hello everybody, my name is Nish, and I hope you come out to support on November 2nd and vote column A all the way, bottoms up. All right, start with John Poynter and go all the way to the governor. Thank you.
We are just so excited and are hoping that you will come out, get your vote by mail ballots in, get them in with vote by mail drop boxes, and encourage your friends and family to do the same. Thank you so much.
We're all out here to support him. I'm also going to ask for your support because I'm also on the ballot for another term on the County Commissioner Board. When I first came on the board, I became the first South Asian man or woman to be a county commissioner in the state of New Jersey, and I certainly want to continue the hard work that I've been doing and the Middlesex County Board has been doing for all 25 of our towns. So all I'm going to ask you all to do is if you return your mail-in ballots or start voting early. In-person early voting starts next Saturday on October 23rd, and we want everybody to have their voices heard by getting their votes counted. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. I'm State Assemblyman Rob Karabinchak from LD 18, which is Edison, East Brunswick, Metuchen, Highland Park, South River, South Plainfield, and Hameda. It's my honor to be with you tonight, and we're asking for your support on November 2nd for Column Line A from our Governor Murphy all the way down through our state legislature, which is Senator Deignan, Assemblyman Sterling Stanley, myself, Rob Karabinchak, our commissioners, and especially our local residents here and our mayor in Edison, Sam Joshi, and his council. We're asking you to vote from the top to the bottom, from the top and the bottom to the top, Column Line A. We're here to service you, and thank you so much.
Please make sure to come out and vote for the election here. You can vote by mail, or you can also, we have 9 days of early voting starting from October 23rd all the way to October 31st, and voting day, which is on November 2nd. So we look forward to having your vote. Make sure you come out and vote for the first South Asian mayor in Edison.
It's a great idea to support our Democratic candidates in the in the election that will take place on 2nd November. You can already start voting, and the voting final day is November 2nd, and you can vote for the mayor. That is our Democratic candidate, Sam Joshi. You can vote for our assemblyman, also the governor and the congressman, Frank Pallone. All these people have been sitting members, and I'm sure their continuation as the people's representatives is going to help us, because New Jersey is a progressive state. We have made a lot of progress in all the fields, and we want to continue doing that. And this is the great year, the great occasion, the great time to support the candidates who are representing the Democratic Party, and the Indian American community is also supporting the Democratic Party. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I would like to just appeal to all those voters in Edison, just vote for Sam Joshi, because this your vote, one vote, can make the history that we will have a first ever Asian Indian mayor in the township of Edison. I would like to wish you all happy Navratri, happy Dasera, and also I would like to in advance wishing you all a happy Diwali. May God bless you. May God bless America.
Hello, Joe Kroll here. Councilman Sam Joshi is running for mayor. Super excited. This is a wonderful opportunity to vote in all of Column A in November. So we have to get out our vote, be excited, and make sure we turn out the vote for New Jersey and make sure Edison stands out and above. I'm excited to support Sam Joshi for mayor and his council and our entire slate, from the Governor Phil Murphy to the state legislator, right down to our county freeholders and much more. So exciting times to get everybody in. So come out and vote. Don't forget.
Hello, this is Sam Khan, Chairman, South Asian Democratic Club. We organize an event in support of Sam Joshi, who's going to be the historical mayor in Edison Township, and only history can be made only with your support. So you all, people living in Edison, you need to come out on November 2nd, and there's so many mail-in ballots at your home. Please come out and support Sam Joshi. Thank you.
With this, we wrap up our show for the night. Please send us your suggestions and get your voices and organizations on our show. Email us on events@itvgold.com or follow us on our Facebook handle @itvgold. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel for free access to many of our popular shows. Thank you for joining us tonight from Edison, New Jersey. This is Vision of Asia, and I am Aditi Lamba. Take care and be well.